You're not broke. You're bleeding money daily. And you don't see it. That cheap habit feels harmless. It's not. It's your enemy. You weren't taught money discipline. You were trained to consume, scroll, spend. Your brain wants comfort, not wealth. The system feeds that weakness daily. It's not your fault, but it is your responsibility. But today, that changes. Step 1. The leak detector. You think it's just small spending. Wrong. It's a daily wealth leak. $5 here, $10 there. You call it nothing. It compounds into everything. Do this. Track every dollar for 3 days. Every snack, every app, every impulse. Feel the damage in real numbers. If you can't track it, you can't stop it. Step 2. The dopamine cut. You think you're buying products. Wrong. You're buying feelings, cheap food, fast delivery, mindless upgrades. That's dopamine. Fast, fake, addicting. You don't need it. You're trained to crave it. Do this. Delay every non-essential purchase 24 hours. Let the urge die. Watch it disappear. Discipline kills fake desire. Impulse is the enemy of wealth. Step 3. The identity break. You say, it's just $5. No. That's a broke person's sentence. Rich thinkers respect every dollar. Poor thinkers dismiss small losses. That's the difference, not income. Identity. Do this. Every time you spend, ask, does this build me or weaken me? If it weakens you, cut it instantly. Small habits create massive identities. Step 4. The replacement rule. You try to quit spending. You fail. Of course you fail. You removed the habit. You replaced nothing. Nature hates emptiness. Your brain will refill it with worse habits. Do this. Replace spending triggers with building actions. Bored? Learn a skill. Stressed? Train your body. Scrolling? Create something. Replace consumption with construction. You don't remove habits. You replace them. Step 5. War mode activation. You think you need more money. Wrong. You need more control. Money follows discipline, not the other way around. Right now, you're soft, reactive, automatic. That version stays poor forever. Do this. Set a daily, no unnecessary spending rule. Treat it like war. No exceptions. Win the day or lose everything. Control your money or it controls you. That weak version of you ends today. The careless spender, the excuse maker, the dopamine slave, dead, gone, buried. You become precise, ruthless, controlled, a builder, a strategist, a machine. You don't chase money anymore. You command it. Stop leaking. Start building. Now go.